Hey guys, so today I just want to go through a quick unboxing video for the VicTsing Mechanical Keyboard. Now this keyboard is mechanical. It has LED RGB lighting as well as supposedly waterproof as well, spill proof, which is pretty nice. As you can see, it just comes with a simple brown box, no labeling or anything, but that's okay. And then let's get it open. So as you can see, when you open it, the keyboard comes in a nice bubble wrap, so you know it's protected. And then here we have the cord. It's all nicely wrapped. And here we have the keyboard. Other things in the box include an instruction manual. So this will help you use the keyboard's functions, and it has a lot of lighting functions that I'll show you later. And also comes with a key. So this is going to help you to remove certain keys if you need to, for cleaning, or if you have to replace something, or if you want to have your custom lettering for whatever reason, you can use this tool to change the keys. So now let's just get it plugged in. Alright guys, so I just wanted to show you guys this keyboard. I'm going to show you guys what it looks like when you plug it in, or every time you turn on your computer. I'm going to unplug it and then plug it right back in, and you can take a look at the keyboard. You can see that it plays that opening sequence, which is really cool. Here, as you can see, these are the mechanical keys, which with each click you can hear it. It's pretty loud, but for a lot of gamers, that's what they want. And then you can see all the different colors here. Great build, great details. Got a little metal screw there, another one over here that holds it together. You got the logo right there, and then on the back you have a couple stands that help it to stand up, so it's a little more comfortable when you use it for gaming or typing, whatever it is. Also want to go through, they have some cool features in terms of the lighting. So if you press function and insert, you can go through different lighting modes for the LED backlight. This one follows your every click. This is sort of like a fade. This is your regular gaming setup. This is another sort of cool little sequence. It's like a wave. This is your opening sequence again that stops at O. Another wave. This one's a little brighter. And this one I like. It sort of creates a ripple for every key you press. Yeah, it's pretty cool. And then now we're back to our normal setup. You can change the brightness here with the up and down arrows while you're pressing function. And it also has some presets, so you can press any of the numbers with function and you get presets for different game modes. And it comes with instructions on how that works, so it's pretty easy. As you can see, there's a bunch of different presets for different games, and then 9 and 0 are actually custom. So this I made for a specific game, and then this spells out my name. which is pretty fun. And you can always go back to your regular lighting modes when you press function and insert. So yeah, this is the VicTsing Mechanical Keyboard. Very high quality. I use it every day. I love using it. It feels like a $200 keyboard, but it's only, around the $40, $50, $60 range. So definitely recommend this product. Definitely look out for it when it's on sale. And thank you so much for watching.